Hello everyone. Today this topic name is household vocabulary words. Chair,
Chair,
table,
table,
sofa,
sofa,
bed,
bed,
pillow,
pillow,
blanket,
blanket,
lamp,
lamp,
curtains,
curtains,
door,
door,
window,
window,
clock,
clock,
mirror,
mirror,
cupboard,
cupboard,
drawer,
drawer,
carpet,
carpet,
television,
television,
remote control,
remote control,
fan,
fan,
air conditioner,
air conditioner,
heater,
heater,
refrigerator,
refrigerator,
microwave,
microwave,
stove,
stove,
oven,
oven,
toaster,
toaster,
blender,
blender,
kettle,
kettle,
dishwasher,
dishwasher,
sink,
sink,
soap,
soap,
towel,
towel,
toothbrush,
toothbrush,
toothpaste,
toothpaste,
shampoo,
shampoo,
comb,
comb,
iron,
iron,
ironing board,
ironing board,
laundry basket,
laundry basket,
washing machine,
washing machine,
vacuum cleaner,
vacuum cleaner,
trash can,
trash can,
broom,
broom,
mop,
mop,
bucket,
bucket,
dustpan,
dustpan,
light bulb,
light bulb,
plug,
plug,
socket,
socket,
doorbell,
doorbell,
key,
key,
lock,
lock,
shelf,
shelf,
picture frame,
picture frame,
cushion,
cushion,
mat,
mat,
curtain rod,
curtain rod,
rug,
rug,
hanger,
hanger,
closet,
closet,
candle,
candle,
clock radio,
clock radio,
alarm clock,
alarm clock,
vase,
vase,
plant pot,
plant pot,
tissue box,
tissue box,
napkin,
napkin,
plate,
plate,
bowl,
ball,
spoon,
spoon,
fork,
fork,
knife,
knife,
cup,
cup,
glass,
glass,
tray,
tray,
can,
pan,
pot,
pot,
cutting board,
cutting board,
apron,
apron,
detergent,
detergent,
basket,
basket,
ladder,
ladder,
toolbox,
toolbox,
scissor,
scissors,
tape,
tape,
glue,
glue,
notebook,
notebook,
pen,
pen,
pencil,
pencil,
calendar,
calendar,
painting,
painting,
shoe rack,
shoe rack,
umbrella,
umbrella,
doormat,
doormat,
light switch,
light switch,
remote battery,
remote battery,
soap dispenser,
soap dispenser,
tissues,
tissues,
measuring cup,
measuring cup,
thermos,
thermos,
water bottle,
water bottle.